OpenOffice versus LibreOffice, which is a better processing tool. So it is going to be doing that for both tools. But if it comes to free office suites, OpenOffice and LibreOffice are the two biggest contenders. Both offer the mentioned processing, you got spreadsheets, presentations, and definitely much more. They do have key differences in development pace though. You got features and compatibility that can somewhat differ. So the influence which will be better is going to depend on that and of course your own preference. So we're just going to go ahead and start with OpenOffice over here. So OpenOffice is the older version of the two. Now, it was originally starting as OpenOffice.org, but it is known for stability and classic interface, but the development has slowed significantly over the years. So maybe you want the classic tool that does work. It's not really that bad. I mean, take a look at those downloads, and you got reasons why you should use the OpenOffice directly here. Now, it does have a few cons, but with that, it has its pros, of course. It is stable, it is lightweight since you got all this all together. Cross-platform, so it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. But the new features and bugs are somewhat infrequent, but it is gonna mean that it has slow updates, the limited modern file support, so some newer MS Office formats aren't fully compatible with OpenOffice, and the fewer extensions and less active development from the small community. Not really small, but a smaller community. More on that later. We're just gonna go ahead and direct ourselves to LibreOffice first. Now you could say this was forked from OpenOffice back in 2010, and it has grown somewhat rapidly. With frequent updates, modern features, and strong community support, it is generally considered more active on development as well, with future reach options. The active development has the frequent updates and improvements. It is somewhat having better compatibility, so it handles modern MS Office files well, rich feature set with a larger community. It is slightly heavier though, and the interface can feel somewhat busy. More features may be overwhelming for casual users. So if you want a general idea and a quick explanation, then if you talk about which is best for this year, then somewhat LibreOffice does take the win. It is, with active development, modern file compatibility, and richer features make it the better choice for most users. But it doesn't really mean Apache OpenOffice is bad. It still remains a solid and maybe a lightweight option for basic office tasks, but it is somewhat falling behind in updates and support. But hopefully the general idea does help you with what you're going to choose. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.